She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Keisha. Nice to can't do that. Nice to meet you. Today we're gonna get into brows. I got requested to do a brow video. Here's how I do my eyebrows. If there's any videos y'all like to see, let me know in the comments below and I'll try to make that video for you. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos and you want to know when I'm posting. Make sure you hit the bell so you can get notifications when I do post. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm really active on there. Okay y'all, so we're gonna get into these brows. So the first thing I like to start off with is my eyebrow spoolie, and I just used on the back of my eyebrow pencil. You can use anything. If you have a spoolie or a brush that you like to use, I just go in and I always make sure my eyebrows are brushed up. I like to go in with my NYX eyebrow gel and I use the color Espresso. I like to take a very small amount of the NYX eyebrow gel and I just put it on something. So we could use this napkin right here. I literally just put a little bit onto the tissue, and I like to take my brush, a thin angled brush like this will work and be perfect, and I just like to dip in a little bit. Just a little bit go a long way. You don't need a lot on your brush. And I kind of just, take off a little bit of it so it's not like a whole bunch. I like to go from the bottom and I go back like this. And I'm just going to come here, come down. And I like to go from the bottom and bring it up and do like little strokes. And I'm being very light-handed when I do it. I'm just building up the product so that it looks natural. And I kind of come to the front, but when I come to the front, I literally use the tip of the brush. This is when I like to switch in between tools, and I like to use the spoolie end and just brush up. This way we're actually blending out the eyebrow so it doesn't look so harsh from when you put product on, because you don't want it to look heavy. I only like to go heavy on the back part, like back here, because I tweezed off my eyebrows like here because my eyebrows naturally grow in a way that I don't like them. So I'm just lightly going in and filling. But you notice that I haven't really gone too much into the product. Just a little bit, like crazy. I just want to say, whenever I do apply my product, I never go all the way to the front first. Like, that is last. I always start here and then I bring it back. Because if you don't, it's gonna dry. It's gonna dry real fast. When I come to the front, I always do that when there's least amount of product on the brush still, because I've pretty much worked it into the brow. The type of brush that I'm using to apply the NYX gel, again, is an angled hairbrush like this. This one is the MAC 266 brush. I'll have every product that I use in the description down below. Okay. This is why I shape up my brows to make them look nice and crisp, like I just got them done when I really didn't. I'm using MAC Studio Finish Concealer, and I'm using this palette. I use these two colors. This is NC45 and this NC50. I'm typically NC50 and my highlight color is NC45. I like to just use both of them. And then I just shape up my brows. So I'll put the concealer there and then I'll bring it. This is the Morphe M516 brush. I like to use a clean brush, and then I just do patting motions and like pushing the product in, but I'm blending it out. And then I come to the top and I just do the same thing. Now I'm gonna get some Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just gonna tap it in there a little bit. Take off any excess because we don't need that. If you don't set it and you just leave it like that after you blend it out, when you take pictures and stuff, or even if you like outside and you say you just get in your car or something after you just got through doing your makeup in the house, and you go outside and you go look in the car, and you're gonna see like a white, it's gonna be like a light cast just there unwantingly. I'm just gonna take my Coco Naughty Sun Stalker bronzer, warm up my face a little bit. I got big forehead. Me and Rihanna, we are part of the same team. Now I like to take this product, which is by MAC Big Boost Eyebrow Gel. That's really it. I like to do my eyebrows usually after I put on my foundation and stuff, because I put a lot of powder and stuff everywhere. So if you watch my previous videos before, then you know that I always do my skin and my eyes and then my eyebrows in that order usually. Unless I'm doing like a dramatic eye, then I would do my eyes first, of course, and then I'll do my foundation and stuff, and then I'll do my eyebrows. Eyebrows is always last, only because like I hate when you put powder and stuff all over your face. You got powder all on your eyebrows after you just did your eyebrows. Now you gotta put more stuff on your eyebrows and you have to redo things. You gotta touch it up, and I don't like to have to touch up. The key to always having like soft looking natural brows is to have like a brush to blend your eyebrows, you know. It looks cute, and that's it. I hope y'all got something from this. If you got something out of this video, hit the like button. That lets me know that my job here is done, and I think that's a wrap.